This update allows advertisers to link their GA4 data directly with Meta ads, improving measurement, attribution, and overall campaign performance. So we'll just discuss what's changing, why it matters for our brands, and how we can implement it for better results. So let's get started. Meta's latest update makes GA4 integration more widely available. So that means allowing more advertisers to connect their Google Analytics properties with Meta Ads Manager. This is significant because it enables better tracking of user behavior across platforms, leading to improved conversion tracking and budget optimization. Essentially, we'll be able to see how Meta ads contribute to conversions in a way that wasn't possible before, and that would help us make smarter and more data-driven decisions. So how does this impact our brands? For our beauty, med spa, sexual wellness, and more clients, this update brings multiple benefits. First would be more accurate conversion tracking. So GA4's first-party data helps reduce reliance on model data, leading to better tracking of actual user behavior. And this is crucial for understanding the real impact of our ads. Second would be enhanced cross-platform attribution. So we will be able to see how Meta ads contribute to the full customer journey, including how users interact with Meta ads before converting on the site, or even if a conversion happens later through organic or other channels. Better audience targeting and retargeting. So GA4 audience data can now be leveraged with Meta campaigns, allowing us to refine targeting strategies and improve engagement. And then obviously optimizing budget allocation. So with better data, we can adjust spending more effectively, ensuring we put money into the highest performing strategies and campaigns. And then finally would be the stronger privacy compliance. So as third-party tracking declines, this integration will help us rely on first-party data, keeping our campaigns effective while also respecting privacy regulations. So what essentially is happening, or what essentially is changing, is that there is a broader GA4 access, meaning Meta has expanded the availability of GA4 integration to more advertisers, meaning more of our accounts are now eligible or may now be eligible to connect. Direct linking of GA4 properties. So advertisers can now directly link their GA4 accounts to Meta Ads Manager, allowing for real-time data flow between platforms. We have the option to select traffic sources between all traffic sources and Meta-specific traffic. All traffic is just that provides full access to all website data, helping to understand the bigger picture. And the Meta-specific traffic is just filtering data to show only traffic that comes from Facebook and Instagram ads. Conversion event mapping. This allows us to map key GA4 conversion events to Meta, so ensuring that there's a more accurate tracking. And then lastly would be performance improvement. So early testing has shown that there has been a 5% increase in conversions for advertisers who have integrated their GA4 with Meta ads. This demonstrates that there is potential impact for this integration. So now, how do we implement this to ensure that we are setting up the integration correctly? First, we would go to Meta Business Suite and navigate to Events Manager. If the account is eligible, we should be able to see the option for Google Analytics integration under the partner integrations. And then next, if we see that, we'll choose the specific GA4 property we want to connect. And once connected, we want to decide between the two traffic source settings, full data access or Meta-specific traffic only. And then finally, once connected, we'll map all the key conversion events between GA4 and Meta. For example, we can match the purchase event in GA4 to Meta's purchase event, so ensuring there's alignment. And this step is crucial because any mismatched event data can lead to reporting discrepancies. And then finally would be to monitor the data flow and to optimize. So after the integration, we need to track the accuracy and make necessary adjustments. So we should compare our Meta reported conversions with the GA4 data to ensure there's consistency. We should also be using the GA4 insights to inform our ad optimizations. So like refining audience targeting, adjusting creatives and reallocating budget based on that data, and then testing retargeting strategies using GA4 audience segmentation. So basically engaging or re-engaging with users who have interacted with our ads in lookalike audiences or just retargeting them. Okay, and then moving to the next slide. So best practices to get the most out of this integration, of course, ensuring that the data from both the platforms are aligned to avoid any discrepancies, allowing up to 24 hours for the data to sync up, regularly auditing accuracy and comparing with other analytic sources, and of course, using the segments to enhance targeting and lookalike audiences on Meta. So now that we know how to implement it and what the best practices are, what do we need to be doing next? So we need to verify account eligibility. Not all our accounts might have access yet. So we need to first check which of our accounts do see the ability to add GA4, and then confirm with the clients if they're on board for us to go ahead and do this, connect with their web development team to help out. And then for all the eligible accounts, we'll proceed with the setup following the steps outlined earlier. So once integrated, we also want to test data accuracy by comparing GA4 with Meta's reports. And then once all of that is done, we want to use the GA4 insights to refine Meta's ad targeting. So mostly adjusting creative strategies, fine-tuning bidding, and also using audience segments would be particularly useful for retargeting and prospecting. So in the end, we want to monitor Meta's updates also. So Meta is continuously evolving its analytics tools. So we'll keep an eye on any updates or improvements to this particular integration that could further enhance measurement and attribution capabilities.